Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install the DirecTV Stream app on your smart TV. First, let's start with a Samsung Smart TV. Take your remote and press the home button. This will open the main menu. From here, go to the Apps section. Once you are inside Apps, look for the search icon, usually in the top corner. Type in DirecTV Stream. When the app appears in the search results, select it. Then click on Install. Wait a few moments for the download to finish. Once installed, you can open the app and sign in with your account. Now let's move on to LG Smart TVs. On your remote, press the home button and open the LG Content Store. Inside the store, find the search option and type DirecTV. When you see the app, select it. Then choose Install and wait for it to download. Keep in mind that this app is supported on LG models from 2021 and newer. After installation, open the app and log in. If you are using an Android TV, including brands like Sony or TCL, the process is also simple. Open the Google Play Store from your home screen. Use the search bar and type DirecTV, select the app from the results and press Install. After the download is complete, open the app and sign in. On other devices like Roku or Fire TV, the process is exactly the same. Just open the App Store, search for DirecTV and install it. Thanks for watching.